Oh, son, it's time for us to have a real feast.
What stinks like that?
Psh, it stinks.
Is that like cabbage stew or pickles?
I'm heating up the stew, which I made especially for you, my boy.
I don't like cabbage.
But I took the time to make a special dish just for you.
I don't like it.
So, would you prefer some burgers instead?
No, thank you.
Oh, would you prefer pork chops or burgers?
I don't want any of that.
Some rice with apples and with cinnamon sounds delicious.
I don't want it.
Spaghetti?
No.
Dumplings?
No.
Tortellini?
No.
Then you're not gonna get shit.
No. Tell Mom that you're shouting at me.
If I only put on that rubber.